Hey everyone, I am Pratik and I am currently working as a developer at Keploy. Today we are solving one of the biggest developer headache, like writing and maintaining test cases. So whether you are building an API or debugging in the production environment, manual test can be slow, brittle, and honestly, it is frustrating. So this is where Keploy comes in. Keploy is an open source end-to-end API testing platform that automatically generate test cases and mocks by recording real API traffic. In simple terms, we can say you can just use your app like normally you do, and Kepler turns that into the reliable test cases without writing any test code. So it supports unit testing, integration testing, and API testing, and it can also integrate easily with your CI/CD pipeline. So in this demo, I will walk you through how we can generate the test cases, API test cases using the Kepler. So yeah, let's get started. Don't forget to check out Kepler.io. So make sure to sign in the Kepler.io. I have already signed in here. So please always try to create a new app. So in this demo, I'm using the quick start. We have basically, like, if you have to generate API test scenario for any application, so you have to enter the URL or basically endpoint to test it. But before doing that, please make sure you didn't please make sure that the URL should not be the home page or website of your application. So you have to enter the URL or endpoint to test it. Also you have to add the curl snippet, post my collection command. Basically why it is needed, because it improve the test accuracy. So you can add the curl command of get, post, or anything you think post. So please make sure to add at least 3 or 5 working curl command. And the important thing is the Swagger open schema. Basically it is used to generate the YAML file and generate the test cases in the YAML file or JSON form. Insert the Swagger open schema. After doing this, so you can generate the API test cases from the generate API test button. So now what is doing, it is generating the preparing the test cases and generating the test suits for your application. So like as I said, Keploy, as I said, with Keploy you can auto generate tests from real traffic, and you can eliminate flaky mocks. You can run test anywhere, even in CI/CD pipeline your, and most important thing, it improve coverage without extra developer time. So it is fast, smart, and developer. So let's get back to this test cases. You can see that it is generated in test suite. Some of the getting rejected and some of getting accepted. So you can also see the brief description of the test suits here. Like you can see the request, you can see the assertions of what is happening here. So yeah, that's how it is generating the test suite. So once it get completed after generating test suite, you can see that, like, just wait for some time, maybe it is getting time. Yeah. So yeah, all set. So yeah, we have 35 test suits and 20 got accepted and 15 got rejected. You can also share it, or you can also view the test suit. So you can view the test suit in test suit for dashboard. So you can see that the 20 test suit got accepted. So it got, after test suit got generated, you have to run the test. So it depends on you if you want to run it in private mode or public mode. I will run it in public mode. Let's run the test, and then all the tests are passed. You can see the brief description here, like which request we sent to the, and yeah, that's it. Now you can see the complete brief of the test suite at the description. You can see that we got a 20 test case pass, we get no fail. And you can see that which methods we use: HTTP method, get, post, and this is the endpoint traffic flow. You can see this Kepler API test generation work, and it is currently in a free. That's how it is easy to record and replay API test using Keploy. So it requires no setup, no config, no test writing pain. So if you want to try today, please make sure join the community on Slack. And if you like what you see, so don't forget to give a star on GitHub. And if you try today, don't forget to share it with us on Twitter and LinkedIn. We are definitely watching you. So yeah, thanks for watching and happy testing. Bye. See you in another video.